Alright, 6.5 Grendel, 100 yards. Hornady Black. Just gonna hit the pad, hit the gel block, see if it's good enough to hunt with. People say you can't. Let's see if you can. It's a windy day out here. Alright, let's go see what we got. Yeehaw! Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah! Now here you go, we're gonna hit our rubber pads and punch gel block and see what we get with the black 6.5 Grendel. Alright folks, we went through all the pads. We made contact, as you see. Solid straight line through. Right there. It was snug in the first pair of jeans. I moved the jeans to give it some better light. That is your ELD match. Right there. That people say you can't hunt with it. Going through these are heavy pads. Rubber pads. Right here. 5 of them. And then going through, we're going to take a better look at this at the house. This and the bullet. So y'all stay tuned. Which would have been going from this way out this way, I believe. Yeah, that right there. So giving you a quick look, better look at that. There you go. And there's a side view. There's your top. And that's from the top. Right there. That's what we got going as it went out. So we punched in and it went straight across right there. And complete pass-through. So it actually was like that coming through. There you go. Alright, here we go. 6.5 Grendel, Hornady Black at 100 yards. We hit the rubber pad, nailed the gel block, had a complete pass-through, and these are the ELD match. That, I mean, people argue you can't hunt with it, and I mean, I think you can, to be honest. I don't think you'd have any issues taking a shoulder shot. I mean, you see, this is what came through. We went from that to that. Out of, I believe, 123 grains, we have 46.8. Y'all seen the damage on the things. We still have a third of it. We have an expansion, 0.418 one way, and we actually got a slice going at over 1/2 inch, barely, but still, it's over 1/2 inch. And top to bottom, well, we're not really going to get it, but if you're curious on how long this whole piece is from that top to bottom, right there you go. There's a nice little jagged edge. Slice through the gel block. If you're wondering, I'm melting gel blocks back down in the background. But sliced right on through. So lost about 1/3 of the weight. Definitely got some destructive power going on. Can you hunt with it? I would. I mean, the final decision's up to you whether or not you want to. Are there better options out there than this? Yeah, I would say so. But still, can you hunt with this? Yeah, you can definitely hunt with it. So there you go. And there you are. Thanks for watching.